If you want to speak with me or any member of my team, you can click our case submission button on our website. You can call me at 8779-SELLER, or you can just email me, cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com.
Hi everyone, my name is David Miller. I manage our business law for sellers department here at Amazon Sellers Lawyer. I want to discuss a bit today selling your business and what the first step is. Now, the first step, you should always try and get what's called a letter of intent. Now, it's typically a non-binding agreement, but it makes sure that the buyer that you're dealing with is actually serious about the deal. If you don't have a letter of intent signed, I would not only work with that specific potential buyer. I would shop around, I would see if other buyers are interested, because there's a good chance that they're not willing to sign a letter of intent, they may not actually be serious. Sometimes this also includes a small deposit to make sure that that party is actually serious. And if you have any specific questions about what else belongs in the letter of intent, feel free to give us a call, 1-8779-SELLER. Thank you.